Have you ever wanted to adjust your phone sound volume right from the camera app? Here's how to set the volume buttons to control sound instead of zoom or shutter. First, open camera app. Tap the quick control icon. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap shooting methods. Tap press volume button 2. And then select control sound volume. Go back to your camera. Now, whenever you press the volume button inside the camera app, if you are playing media, it will adjust the media volume. While if you're not playing anything, it will adjust the ringtone volume. This is useful when you are taking photos or videos in a quiet place and need to quickly lower the volume, or when you want to turn it up for better audio monitoring while recording. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.